Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have the SYOZAC RC monster truck. This thing looks absolutely awesome. It's for ages 6 and up. And that is the box that comes in. So let's open this up. This looks super cool. It says all-terrain. So look at that. That's very cool. Put the box behind me. So as you can tell, that is pretty awesome. Alright, so it has like these little unscrew tab things in the back here, so that's pretty cool. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Alright, so that releases your remote for you. And I don't know if I got that on camera, but you basically kind of like twist that counterclockwise. And then let's see what we got here at the bottom. These are all the little accessories and stuff that comes with it. Get that tape out of the way. And then it has some zip ties here, so with a like a utility knife, or if you have a pair of plier clippers, you can probably undo those. That one, that, so open that up. Alright, so you have your battery compartment underneath here. So let's see what we get in here. So you get a battery, a little screwdriver to get to the battery compartment. That's great. Then you have your directions. And the coolest part is you get a bunch of stickers so you can decorate this truck how you like. Okay, so this is going to be the battery compartment here. So let's open that up. So it opens. Oh, you get 2 batteries. How cool is that? Alright, so you got 2 batteries. Let's get one of these charging up. So what you do is you connect the battery together like this, and then you want to charge it up, and you can regular USB, so you can use like a laptop, old cell phone charger. You can use, like a desktop computer, whatever you need. Okay, let's put that off to the side. Let's take a look at the remote. So that is your remote control. And again, this has a screw here in the handle, so you basically unscrew this. Then you open that up. And then it takes 2 AA batteries. So we have the Amazon basic ones. We kind of like those the best. Seems like we get the longest RC play out of things with these. More noisy plastic. Alright, so let's put those batteries in. Okay, then we put this compartment there. And that is basically ready to go. As you turn that on, and it'll start blinking. So it's going to look to pair. So we don't have it paired up yet because we're still charging batteries. But yeah, let's get the batteries charged up, and we'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, so we disconnect the battery off the charger after it's fully charged. And then we'll flip this guy over. So that opens up the compartment for you, so you can get in there. And pull the battery out. Then you push it in until you hear a click. Okay. I'll put that down. Okay. Power switch is right here. Turn that on. And then pair it up with your remote. Turn that on. And then we're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, what a cool little RC truck. Be safe out there.